Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to unprivate your TikTok account. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you're on your profile, you'll notice it is currently set to private. TikTok recently introduced a feature where accounts of users under 16 are automatically set to private for privacy reasons. If you want to make your account public, here's how to do it. Go to the top right corner of your profile page and tap on the three dots to open the settings. From there, select Privacy, as it's the second option under Account. Now, under Discoverability, you'll see the current setting showing that your account is private. Tap on it, and a pop-up will appear asking if you want to switch to a public account. Confirm the change. Once done, your account will become public, meaning anyone can view your videos, duet, or download them. You can also explore other privacy options like suggest your account to others and adjust them as needed. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.